Hello everyone, I'm Kanishka Singh from the Albang Educational Institute, Agra. So today I'm going to explain you another topic from business services, which is postal services. So let's begin. So starting with postal services, firstly, government has made a particular department for this. That department is India Post and Telegraph Department. Secondly, this post department provides services at national level as well as at international level. It means we can send and receive parcels from India and in India respectively. Postal services arrangements made by a government for the transmission of letters, packages, periodicals, and for related services. Next, as I already told you, the Department of Post is a government operated postal system in India, generally post offices in India. Okay. Coming to the next slide, these are the facilities provided by postal services. Means what are the facilities that postal services provide to us? Firstly, along with this mail facilities, means transmission of letters, packages, periodicals, and other things, postal services also provide us financial facilities. These facilities are like PPF, means Public Provident Fund, and Kisan Vikas Patra, and National Service Saving Certificate, in addition to normal retail banking functions like a saving account, recurring deposit, time deposit, etc. Along with the financial facilities, postal services also provide us mail facilities, as we know. So coming to the mail services, the primary function of post office is collection, processing, transmission and delivery of mail. They provide security of transmitted articles, means whatever we are sending is secure. This mode is quite secure and safe, as they provide us insurance facilities that covers all the risk in the course of transmission by post. So now there are certain services which are provided by mail service. That is, first they provide us registered post, second parcel, third is speed post, and last one is courier services. We are generally familiar with all these terms, so now we'll study all these in deep. First service which is provided by mail service is registered post. As the name is suggesting, registered post means the post which is registered. So registered post is an Indian postal departmental service. This is also similar to ordinary post, but the difference is here we get some additional facilities. What are these additional facilities? These are safe delivery, means this mode is quite safe and secure. Second is the signature of the recipient at the time of delivery, means we will get to know that the who received that this post. Second is extra cover insurance and the proof of delivery, means when the recipient received our parcel, we'll get a proof, means the sender will get a proof that your post has been delivered. So by this we get to know that there are certain advantages of this, like safe and secure. This mode is quite safe. Second is we can check our status, that where our post has been. Second is third is record keeping, means there is a record of all the registered posts. So what are the things that we can send by registered post? These can be letters, journals, newspapers, books, etc. Another service which is provided by mail service is parcel. As we are familiar with this term, generally we receive them at our doorsteps. Under this facilities, the parcels of specified size and weight can be sent across the country as well as outside the countries. Means in this facilities, generally we have to give them the weight and the size of the the parcel whatever we are sending. In this also we can send this parcel inside the country. We can send it inside the country, but also to the foreign countries also. So this is the most economical way of sending the parcel. Means generally common men can also use this because this is quite cheaper. So another service which is provided by mail service is speed post. So as the name is suggesting, speed, which means something which is fast. So this service provides fast, time bound, and guaranteed delivery of mail by the post office. But as something additional facilities which is time bound, as the time is so precious, so they charge something extra amount for this post. So our last service is courier services, which is not the least. As we know, courier services have gained momentum in the present era due to its services. So these provides fast delivery of letters, mails, etc., along with desk to desk service, which means that parcel is collected from the place of the sender and delivered at the place of the receivers. So there are certain companies which has their name in this type of service, which is Blue Dart and Safe Express. Along with them, there are certain other companies which also have their name in this particular field. So as now we are completed with our topic, which is postal services, mail services, registered post, speed post, courier services. So I think all you are clear with all these topics. Thank you and all the best for your future.